Supply elasticity is defined as the degree of sensitivity of the quantity supplied of a good to the price of the good itself. Elasticity of supply measures the percentage change in quantity supplied that occurs due to the percentage change in price. The number of goods offered in the short term is different from the number of goods produced because a company usually does not immediately offer all its product to consumer, but rather keeps some of its product for sale at a late date, or what is usually referred to as stock of goods. However, in the long run, the quantity of goods supplied is considered to be equal to the quantity of goods produced. Factors that influence supply elasticity include access item. The material used to create goods should be affordable so that sellers can sell their goods to buyers easily. Difficult access to material will result in the price of goods offered increasing. The number of goods on the market. The more goods on the market will result in change in the price of goods offered. Technology that increasingly advanced can increase the production of goods that will be offered or produce materials that are easily accessible. Production costs. An increase in price will increase the quantity supplied. If production costs are high or production materials are difficult to obtain, this will cause the elasticity of supply to become inelastic. Then, if production are low, it causes the elasticity of supply to become elastic. Durability of the item. Each item has a different shelf life. The longer the item lasts, the more elastic it is. Meanwhile, the faster the item lasts, the more inelastic it is. Time. The longer the time required to adjust to market equilibrium, the more elastic the demand for a good. Types of elasticity of supply. 1. Supply is perfectly inelastic. The supply elasticity has an elastic level. Supply cannot be increased any price level so that supply curve will look vertical. 2. Inelastic supply. Inelastic supply has an elasticity level of change in supply are smaller than change in price. This means that change in price result in relative small change to supply. 3. Elastic unitary supply. Elastic unitary supply has an elastic level. This means that change in supply are the same as change in price. 4. Elastic supply. Elastic supply has an elasticity level of or change in supply are greater than change in price. This means that change in price result in relatively large change to supply. 5. Perfectly elastic offers. The degree of elasticity this perfectly elastic supply is infinite. This means that a company can supply whatever is needed at a certain price level. The company is able to supply at constant cost per unit and there is no production capacity limit.